Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Google Maps setting on Google Dark Mode setting. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Maps apps, and after this, in here you just click on the profile icon at the top. Click on it, and then in here you just click on the setting. And after this, in here you just click on the time, click on it. In here you just click on the always in a dark time, and after this, in here you just click on the save and finish. So that's how to make Google Map dark mode setting. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.